Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, and I am here, Patricia, and today we're going to have another video. So our video for today is about Bossy Girl Cosmetics. They have been sending me makeup products since before. They have sent me 2 PR packages already. First is the fake lashes, and then the second will be the makeup products that I'll be showing you later. So papakita ko sa inyo yung mga makeup products na pinadala nila sa akin recently. So they have sent me 2 eyeshadow palette. First is Esperanza. You'll get to know about this later. And then, second one is the Ohana. So, ito yung pinaka-latest palette nila. They also sent me eyelash tweezer, a red matte lipstick in the shade 5, and so this is their beauty sponge. And last but not the least, they also sent me a liquid highlighter. So, let us start our video now. So, first of all, my brows are done, and I already applied concealer on my eyes as a base for our eyeshadow. So, we're going to get this first palette. This palette is Ohana. So, this is their latest palette. This palette is so colorful, and it is a mixture of matte shades and shimmer shades. So, I'm going to get this color. So, ito yung shade na parang combination ng brown and orange. We're going to apply on the other eye as well. This is quite easy to use and blend. And then after that, we're also going to use the same brush, and we are going to dip with this shade. So this one is on the outer V, but of course we're gonna blend it in together with the other shade. Sobrang ganda niya. And of course, like what I said, if you want it to look glam, don't forget to drag it out. I'll just get the clean brush para mag-blend natin yung 2 colors together and maging mas maganda yung transition. So, kung may mga lumampas man dyan, you don't need to worry about it because we're going to do something about it later. And then after that, I am going to get another deeper brown color para mas maging maganda lang yung transition niya. And then, I think I'm gonna go with this color. This one. Then we will just apply it to the outer V. Okay, so we're done with that. So, mas naging brownish yung color niya. Kung gusto niyo mas maging maganda yung blend ng colors, you can get the brush that you used a while ago and mix the colors together. For now, we're done with this palette. This is Esperanza. This is how it looks like. So, it is also colorful. They are all shimmer shades. And then, for this palette, this one will last for 3 years, for 36 months. So, I will just put a cut crease. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so ito na nga. Na-cut crease ko na siya using my concealer. What we're going to do is we're going to choose one shimmer here that we're going to apply here on the cut crease area. So, ano kayang bagay? Guys, what do you think? What should I use? So, this is the gold shade. It's kind of creamy. Let's see. So, ganyan siya. This is nice. And then, maybe I can also choose this one. They're so creamy, guys, pag hinawakan mo siya. And they are so pigmented. So, this is the second choice. We are going to get maybe this one. It's fine. So, ito naman siya. Sobrang pigmented niya, guys. I guess pwede din siyang gamitin as your highlighter if you want to. Which one are we going to use? If we're gonna choose this one, I think this is too much. So, maybe we are going to get this and this one. Dalawa gagamitin natin. So, for us to apply that shimmer shade, I am going to use this flat brush. I will put this color here in front. So, we're going to get this color and it will go here. So I'm going to get this brush again and then kukunin ko yung shade na dark brown para maging mas maganda yung transition niya. You got that, you got that. I already put line on my eyes, the eyeliner. So ngayon maglalagay na ako ng fake lashes. So this one is Bossy Girl Cosmetics Sin City Fake Lashes. I'm going to use Lashes Tweezer. I already applied glue on it Patayin natin ng konti. Then, apply it on our lashes. So, again, lean back your head, chin up, so that you can see kung saan nyo siya na ilalagay. It is easier if you use tweezer than using your hand. And then another thing, you can use this to put your real lashes and the fake lashes together. I'm going to use their beauty sponge. This is already wet. So as you can see, this is much more bigger than the usual. So this is my foundation. This is so nice. Sobrang laki niya. So sakop niya talaga yung buong face mo. Sobrang lambot niya. And as you can see, ang ganda nung pagka-apply niya. If I'll compare it to my other beauty sponges, parang mas maganda yung pagkaka-apply nito. As you can see, tingnan mo parang skin mo lang. I'm going to try using this with other foundation as well next time. But so far, I'm liking it. So we're done with our face. Now I'm going to put some powders on it. I will just set it. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get the highlighter. And then since this one is a liquid highlighter, I am not going to put it directly on my face. I'm going to put at the back of my hand. And I'm so excited. Ayan siya. Then I will just use my sponge that I used a while ago for foundation. So magiging ganyan siya. Then I will apply it on the areas I want to be highlighted. OMG, ang ganda niya, guys. Opak ulit. Ganda. Tip of my nose. Then here on the bridge of my nose. Just this part. So far, I'm liking all the products. It's not because they sent it to me, but you can see how beautiful naman, diba? So, yan siya. So, what I need to do now is to brush off the powders. So, yan na yung highlighted part. Sobrang ganda niya. As in, kitang-kita, diba? So, what we're going to do next is lipstick. So, they also sent me a lipstick. This one is a red lipstick. I'm not that kind of person that uses red lipstick, but for the sake of this video, I will try. I have tried putting red lipstick on before, but I'm not used to it. So let's see. Final look. So, sana nagustuhan nyo. Before I end this video, I want to thank Bossy Cosmetics for sending me the products. I like the product so much. Not because they sent it to me for free, but as you can see while I was doing it, sobrang daling gamitin. And the eyeshadows are so pigmented. The tweezers, the highlighter, as you can see, diba? Sobrang ganda niya. Parang wet look siya. And then for the lipstick, it is so nice. It is not sticky. It is so lightweight. If you want to check their site, I will just put their site here. So their site is www.bossygirlcosmetics.com. And then you can check their Instagram account. It is bossygirlcosmetics. I will just put the link here again or inside the description box. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So, sana nagustuhan nyo. If you like my video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe on my channel as well. Yes, connect with me with my social media accounts. So, for Instagram, it is @patspoli. And for Facebook, it is patelisepolicarpio. So, guys, thank you again for watching. See you again next time. Bye!